Hi, we're here today at Delray Sands Beach Resort in Highland Beach, Delray Beach area. Opal bought this property and redid it. Opal is a great hotel developer. I stay at all their hotels. I've stayed at Sand Pearl many times, Opal Sands in Clearwater, and this is down in Southeast Florida. My family lives down here, so this is a two queen room oceanfront, so make sure you request oceanfront. New furniture, a really large balcony. A lot of hotels around here have a road in front. This does not, so you are right on the beach, and there's a pool around the corner there and an awesome restaurant, all part of the resort. Really beautiful. 2 chairs are included with your stay, so 2 beach chairs, which is nice. Not all hotels do that. They charge extra usually. So if you're looking to stay in Delray Beach area, I highly recommend, and you want to be right on the sand, I highly recommend Delray Sands. And let me show you the bathroom really quick. It's a boutique hotel resort, but it's brand new shower. Everything's been renovated. Really, really nice. So if you're looking to stay right on the ocean, I slept last night here, first night, left the door open all night. Perfect. I'm on the top floor, the 6th floor. So thanks for visiting.